All right, we have the World Championships right now. So Brazil versus Croatia. All right, ready? Yeah, you have to. It's okay. We'll give you this one too. So that way, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! All right, it's a tough one. It's a very.
This is gonna be today.
It's winning already. Look, we don't know if it's an omen, but at least you know you.
Recuerdo eso cuando era pequeña.
Ajá,
Aquí,
sí,
¿no?
sí. ¿Cómo le llamas tú a eso?
¿Cómo se llama eso? Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Muy bien. A ver, venga. Vamos a mostrar la maestría verde amarela.
Eso es muy característico en México, ¿eso?
Sí, así es, sí.
Ay, en Brasil se pasó muy tiempo así también.
También.
Ahora que nos encontramos.
Qué bueno. Pues tú, muy bien, ¿eh?
Sí, una crack de yo-yo.
Sí, una crack de yo-yo. Sí, necesitamos un crack de Croacia. A ver, a esta muchacha le vamos a decir. A ver, muy obrigada. There you go, good job.
Of course, he is very. I mean, you can see it already. I lose here, but I will not take you. No, 3-0. Yes, 3-0.
Okay.
3-0.
For us.
No.
He's winning the yo-yo championship, I'm sure. Good job.
You speak too much.
Good job.
You need to start.
Good luck.
Don't speak.
Good luck.
How do you say good luck in Croatian?
Sorry?
How do you say good luck in Croatian?
Sretno Croatia. Sretno Hrvatska.
Sretno
Hrvatska.
Yes. Sretno
Hrvatska. You know Croatia
It's
means
hard, yeah.
Sretno Hrvatska e boa sorti. See, I'm saying to both of them. So yeah, good luck. I'm from Mexico. This is why we're bringing this. Yeah. Like, all right. Since you love me so much, come on. Pues me acabo de encontrar aquí a los meros representantes de Japón, Goku en persona con todos ellos. Y bueno, ya les di los juguetes mexicanos para ver si a Goku le sale ahora sí que la fuerza Super Saiyajin y le sale ahora sí que todo el fuego. Así que vengan, vamos a ver cómo es que los hacen. Have you seen this before? Do you know what they are? You have, okay. So you're gonna do your best in order for, to see who's the best Goku, playing Mexican toys. So go ahead, go. So yeah, I know. So tell me, how's the workout for you?
Huh?
How's the workout for you?
Wake up?
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, of
Okay.
course, sure.
So, oh, no, okay. It's not, bueno, hay que señales, okay, look, I'm gonna try with this one, because this is like that one, okay? Vean. Muy bien, así que a ver, dale. Sí, sígale. Sí. Muy bien. What do you know of Mexico? Do you know any words in Spanish?
Tacos.
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 ¿Qué más? What do you know of Mexico?
仕事メキシコ I'm last year in Mexico City.
You've been to Mexico.
Very high.
Bueno, lo que quiso decir es que en la Ciudad de México le cuesta respirar porque está muy alto. Eso es lo que acaba de decir. ¿Cómo la ven? So how do you decide to be Goku for this World Cup? How do you decide to be Goku? Oh, you're not playing anymore? All right, your turn. Now you try to do it. Yeah, see. Try it. So yeah, how's it going? Going good? Okay. Okay, now try to put it in. Okay. Pero me encanta, vean, lo pone y lo quiero volver a poner. Okay, so you actually can have it like out here. There it goes. And then you try to put it in. Yeah. Oh! Yes. Okay, this is Goku. Él is Goku.
This is
Goku.
Japanese
Goku. You are Goku.
Yeah, I'm Goku.
You are. He's a real Goku.
Actually Goku.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's the actual Goku.
Goku.
So none of you are Goku.
Fake.
You're fake. You're fake. Yeah, you're fake. You're Goku.
Actual
Goku. Respect.
Yeah,
Respeto.
Thank you.
Tú muy bien.
Yeah.
Tú muy bien.
Yeah.